Hey guys, welcome to our first exciting episode of Mad Mali, and today we are going to start off with the basics. What do we need to set up our first home garden? And we are going to go to the local nursery and get our starter kit from there. But before that, I recommend you guys plan on growing anywhere between 1 to 5 plants to slowly transition in this scene and make a list before we go to buy our starter kit because you can easily get carried away when you're there. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. What up, chums? We are finally here. This is my nursery, and it's just 5 minutes away from my house, and I buy everything from here. I get pots, containers, saplings, cacti, many ornamental things to make your terrace garden look nice, insecticides, everything. All right. So also it's really important to support local businesses as of right now, especially during the pandemic, because trust me, as a beginner you would want to search for stuff on Amazon and you're going to be pretty tempted. But let's not do that. Let's give more and more business to nurseries, and I'm sure everyone has these nurseries 5 minutes away from your house. Go there, check it out, and just buy. So let's take a tour of this nursery and see what we got. Here's everything that we need to basically start off. This is our starter kit. What do we need as a part of our starter kit? Very basic things: pots, soil, organic matter, seeds, and fertilizer. So let's go over that. So guys, if you want to actually start from a single seedling and want to make a couple of batches, I suggest you start off with one of these small containers and then transplant it to one of these bigger ones. So this is about 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 and 14. Then you have some shapes. Something like this is great if you want to grow lettuce, because lettuce doesn't have a big root system, but you want more lettuce, so you would want containers like this. You want containers like those square ones, those rectangular ones, to grow stuff like radish, carrots, potatoes, beetroots and stuff. And these circular ones to grow lemon plants and stuff like that, so on and so forth. Tulsi, jasmine, stuff like that. So make sure you pick the right sized pot, because this logic is simple, guys. The larger the pot, the larger the plant. Simple as that. You also want to buy some of these nice seeds. I buy all my seeds from here. Guys, these are 20 bucks a packet. It has a lot of seeds and it's 20 bucks. Trust me, Amazon has stuff for 150, 160, 200 bucks. I mean, I don't want to spend that kind of money. I'd rather buy 10 of these packets for 200 bucks and plan my seasonal crop. Also, you need to remember that you need to know what all you're going to plant and in which time of the year. So right now it's monsoons in India. So right now I'm going to go for some bitter gourd, bhindi, coriander, methi, and palak. We're gonna sow them right now and hope for harvest by winter. So, and then sort of empty the pots, change the soil, and then you want to plant something that grows well in winter so that you can expect the harvest before summer, and then continue that way all year long. So let's look at some soil. This is coco peat. You want to buy this and mix it with your regular potting mix, because this is organic and it has a lot of nutrients that your plants need. It's rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, like basic key ingredients that your plants need to thrive. And you would want to mix about 30 to 40% of this with potting mix and vermicompost. Now, vermicompost is extremely essential as a part of your potting mix when you sort of grow stuff, because you just need it. These are some of the types that these guys have right here, and sorry. So this is what you want. They will mix this with this and your regular potting soil to make the perfect well-drained mixture for your plants to grow. So guys, I think we've covered what we need here. You don't need these big water sprinklers and all that, because to begin with, when you're growing and your plants are smaller, you would ideally want to grab like a pet thumbs up bottle, just poke some holes in them and just spray it on the plants, because you don't want to dislocate the seeds. So I think this is what basic you need in terms of your starter kit. This is your starter kit, guys, and all of this together for 5 plants will not cost you more than $1,000. So do not overspend is my first tip, as for you when you want to kickstart your project. Do not overspend, guys. Okay, so let's look at our soil, and I'm going to be making some soil, putting some soil together for my plants. So let's see how that is done.
मैं राकेश कुमार, मैं भैया के लिए अभी मिट्टी बनाने वाला हूँ। और क्या काम करते हैं हम लोग, सभी लोग कस्टमर लोग जो होते हैं, जो प्लांट लेते हैं, वो मिट्टी में प्लांट लगाते हैं, लेकिन नहीं, मेरा कुणाल भैया को कहा नाम है कि मिट्टी और कोकोपीट वर्मी कंपोस्ट मुझे चाहिए। इसका क्या काम होगा वो तुम बताओ। मिट्टी और कोकोपीट 50% मिट्टी 50% कोकोपीट मिक्स करने से प्लांट अच्छा ग्रो होते हैं। उसके साथ वर्मी कंपोस्ट भी 10% मिक्स करना जरूरी है। उसके साथ अपना परलाइट भी मिक्स कर सकते हैं, और उसके रेती जो होता है वो भी मिक्स कर सकते हैं थोड़ा। उससे अपना प्लांट ग्रो होते हैं, अपना कली फूल पौधा अच्छा लाते हैं, प्लांट ग्रो होने में उसकी मदद करते हैं। हमने मिट्टी में लगाते हैं प्लांट तो उसको पानी देना पड़ता है रोज, और मैंने उसको क्या काम करेंगे, उसको कोकोपीट में आज लगाने वाला हूँ। तो देखिए हम लोग कोकोपीट में कैसे लगाते हैं। मिट्टी और कोकोपीट को आज हम लोग विस्तार रूप से देखेंगे कि उसको हम कैसे लगाते हैं। तो हम लोग अभी 10% ले लिए अपना वर्मी कंपोस्ट, उसके बाद अपना 50% ले लिए कोकोपीट, और 50% हम लेंगे मिट्टी। उसको मिक्स करके लगाने से प्लांट बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, हेल्दी होते हैं। हम लोग आज इसी के बारे में हम लोग विस्तार रूप से बताएंगे कि कस्टमर लोग मिट्टी में सिर्फ प्लांट न लगाएं, वर्मी कंपोस्ट और उसके बाद कोकोपीट मिट्टी मिक्स करके लगाने से हम लोग घर छोड़ के 2 दिन 10 दिन के लिए बाहर भी चल गए, 1 सप्ताह के लिए, तो प्लांट में कोकोपीट का मात्रा ज़्यादा रहेंगे, तो पानी को अपने ऊपर कैप्चर करके रखेगा, तो उसको प्लांट को शक्ति मिलेंगे। तो 2-4 दिन पानी भी नहीं दिए तो प्लांट अच्छे ग्रो होंगे। उसके लिए हम लोग आज विस्तार रूप से देखेंगे।
Guys, we are back home at the terrace, and we got our starter kit. Everything looks really nice. The soil looks beautiful. We chose what plants we want to grow in the next couple of weeks. We got some methi, coriander and palak coming up for you guys, and let's see how that goes. But we couldn't stop right there now, could we? We got another mad idea and we stopped by the supermarket. We picked up some lettuce. We picked up a lot of lettuce. We picked up some herbs, and we're going to show you what we are doing with them in the next video. So if you want to keep guessing, think pastas, pizzas and endless mojitos. This is Mad Mali signing off. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with people that you think might benefit from it. Signing off.